Hey girl. Alright, how we doing your hair today, Mom?
So basically, we're gonna do 2 ponytails, but if we're able to, we might do like a swoop in the front. But if it's too nappy, then we're just gonna stick to the 2 ponytails.
Yeah, so I don't know that we'll be able to do the swoop because your hair's so dirty, but we gotta get you cute for Turkey Day. So let's see what we can do. Okay, so today is Thanksgiving. What are you thankful for? Like, what are you most thankful for?
Family?
Family.
Yeah.
Not the way you be giving us the blues. You thankful for it? You thankful for it?
Yeah.
What you thankful for?
Family?
What about family? What you love about your family?
That I get to do fun stuff.
That you get to do fun stuff?
Mm-hmm.
Like what? Okay, so we got a lot of little build up. You definitely gotta get a shampoo. But we're gonna give you a little swoop. Doop. Okay. Little swoop 1, 2. Come to the middle.
Go.
Alright. Little beeswax right there. Okay, so what are we supposed to do to the ends? Twist them?
Leave them how they are.
Oh no. That wild child, no. Okay, so
Wild
stay
in the country.
right there. Come to the middle. Yeah, okay, so what else are you thankful for? You say you're thankful for that you have a house and family.
Mm-hmm.
I'm thankful for you guys.
Me?
You and your sister, not just you and your brother.
Oh.
Self-centered, are we?
Oh. My hair is so long.
Your hair so long.
Yes.
You got a little length. Got a little hang time.
Yeah, we're gonna add this cute little bow somewhere. We don't know.
I don't know how, but okay.
Maybe in the middle. I don't know.
What are you most thankful to eat today?
Mac and cheese.
Mac and cheese?
Yes.
I hope Tia did a good job with the mac and cheese.
No turkey. Turkey's
No
too dry.
turkey.
Turkey's too
Your
dry.
granddaddy totally fried turkey today. We have to try it. I love the shine that this beeswax put on your hair, period.
Beeswax, because it's not near beeswax.
You got dad jokes, bro.
I'm so cool.
Oh. Okay, so now we got this slick turn to the side, period. The beeswax I'm using is this one, the honey beeswax from Ampro. It's doing a good job of laying her edges down. We should like twist them.
Tell me why it's going to be 39 degrees today.
Cause it's November and that's what
It's
happened.
late November.
Yeah, so
You forgot the late.
So we're heading into what's
December, my birthday.
okay, we're heading into winter. That's fine.
December 19th, 2016 is my birthday.
Okay, so we're gonna do Spacebuns because those are you don't want Spacebuns?
It don't matter to me.
Okay, you got a swoop. Okay, so we just gonna make Spacebuns until we shampoo your hair. Okay.
My hair is so, I don't even know.
Tangly. It's okay. We put a little water on it. It loosens up. And then I'm going to twist it.
My auntie said all you need for my hair is gel and water, slick it up, and you're good to go.
That's all you need?
Yes, because she said I have very fine hair.
You do.
Thank you for the compliment. Because that means I have very pretty hair.
You have pretty hair. Everybody has pretty hair. Not just the people who find hair.
Even if you don't have hair.
Even if you don't have hair, exactly. So now we're just doing 2 twists. And then we're going to put it in the space bun. We're going to shampoo you tomorrow, girl.
No. Y'all don't know this, but shampoo days at my house are torture. But
Torture is crazy.
Yes, because then you'll be putting water in my ear and things like
Hold
that.
your head.
I be holding my head. And then you be trying to put my whole head in the sink.
You have to get it washed. What are you talking about?
I be in the right position.
Girl.
And then like the
Exaggerating,
shampoo
but
goes
okay.
at the shop are way better to wash hair in.
You
Then
look
a suit.
cute. How you feel about this?
It's cute.
It's cute? Okay. Now, let's decorate it.
Can we do this bow, please?
I just don't
Like
see
this.
how...
We should have left some.
Hardly. It's just a lot going on. Okay, I guess we can put the bow back.
Exactly.
Oh my God, bro. Okay, I will...
And
put
we
the
can maybe add the clips up here.
Okay, so we'll put this back here.
I don't know where we
Some
got
type
this
of way.
from.
And then I'll just like add this like here maybe. Is that cool?
Yeah.
Okay, and then maybe add this one.
Yeah. Why is everything made in China? Like even this is made in China.
They the goats, bro. And then, okay, now look. You got a lot going on.
It's so cute.
It's so cute, you like it.
Yeah.
Okay, you want to show them this big old bow in the back?
Yeah.
It's a lot going on.
It might be crooked, but I don't care.
Oh God, guys.
I don't know how it looks.
Okay.
What?
turn it.
That is so rude.
Okay, let's go eat some turkey. You ready?
No, let's go eat some mac and cheese.
This will get us by today. Alright, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Get close so they can see your little space buns. Period. Period.
My
Yeah.
hands so cold.